Was he?
Let's get going now. See you later.
You look after her, okay?
Those who will.
Where's she going? She's here. Was she supposed to be ill? Was she doing swanning off in a taxi? That's her business. No, it's not. It's mine. She's supposed to be at work. I've got pensions waiting. Well, you best get back to your pensions then, eh? I'm fed up with this.
Oh, nice. So, do you reckon that Mary can pull it off? You know, this
Was he?